Hey guys, welcome to Tactum channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change your WhatsApp number without losing any group or any contacts. So let's go to WhatsApp first. Now click on three dot icon, which is top right corner beside your search option. Go to settings. Go to account, the first option. Now you'll find here change number, this option, fourth one. Click on this. Now click on next, which is very bottom green button. Now just write here your current phone number. Enter old phone number and new phone number. Here you have to enter the old phone number. I mean which number is running right now. Now you put here the number whom you want to divert or want to change. So click on next. Make sure this toggle is on before go to done. Click on this and make sure you are selecting the middle one, contacts that I have chats with. Now click on done. Now you have to click on just continue, and WhatsApp will call you and tell you the verification code, or WhatsApp will text you the verification code. What you have, check your message option, I mean phone messages. Okay, it is sending code. My net is not stable right now. I'm telling you the last thing. Just go to your message option and you will get a code. If you put the code here like this, and if you just click on done, your account will be verified and your number will be changed. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.